How to customize car in Need for Speed. If you want to make your ride truly yours, here's how to customize car in Need for Speed on your phone. Open your Need for Speed application. From the home screen, tap onto the garage icon to see all the cars that you have, which is at the top left corner of your screen. You just have to select your car you want to customize or visual customize to get started. Tap on the car you want to customize. There are various options to change from. You can change the paint color, body kit, rims, spoilers and many more. Some options may need to unlock with the game in-game currencies. Once you are happy with your design, tap apply or save. Your car is now custom and ready to turn your heads. And that's how you customize car in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.